Hello friends, in this video I will be discussing about the 5 simple yoga practices which you can do at your home. Before starting the video, I would like to give some basic information on yoga system. Basically, yoga is a spiritual discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. It is an art and science of healthy living. Yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to join or to unite. Quick facts on yoga. Yoga has 84 basic poses or asanas. 36 million people in US regularly practice yoga. Yoga is over 5000 years old. It is one of the oldest physical disciplines in the world. Yoga was originally practiced as a form of healing. June 21st is celebrated as International Yoga Day. The first one is Tadasana or mountain pose. This pose looks easy because it is basically just standing, but it is the basis for all the other standing poses and inversions. If you do this activity, you will be working on your torso and legs, and you will be grounding yourself. This pose enhances confidence and reduces anxiety. In the description box below, I have given the instructions on how to perform all the 5 asanas. Please do check out. Benefits of Tadasana. It helps in correcting your posture and improves your balance by making your spine more agile. Increases flexibility of your ankles, thighs and joints. The next is Uttanasana or forward fold. It is also known as standing forward bend. This pose is entered from the standing position of Tadasana, bending forward at the hips until the palms can be placed on the floor, ultimately behind the heels. There are 3 variations which includes Ardha Uttanasana, Niralamba Uttanasana and Padmahastasana. Benefits of Uttanasana includes calms the mind and soothes the nerves. The next is Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. This pose has 3 benefits. Elongates your spine, helps in digestion and stretches your back leg muscles. Since it is a mild inversion, it can release stress, helps in relieving headaches and calms the nervous system. The next is Balasana or child's pose. This is a good pose in case you want to rest and reset your nervous system. It is a counter asana for various asanas and is usually practiced before and after the Shirshasana. Benefits includes it massages and flexes the internal organs in the body, releases tension in the chest, back and shoulders, promotes blood circulation. The final one is plank pose or Uttita Chaturanga Dandasana. This is a very active pose that works for all the muscles of your front body. It is a core strengthening yoga posture that prepares the body for more challenging arm balances. In Uttita Chaturanga Dandasana, the body is held in a plank position off the ground, supported by the hands and feet. Benefits. It has a wide range of mental emotional benefits as well as the physical strengthening effects. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Medicines for Life for more updates on medicines, natural products and lifestyle. Once again, thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.